Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to know your hero rank in Mobile Legends. So in order to do that, keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To know your hero rank in Mobile Legends, first open your Mobile Legends app and make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you're inside your main homepage after logging in, tap on your profile picture located at the top left-hand corner. This will open up your profile page. Right inside the profile tab, you'll be able to see your hero rank and other stats. That is how it can be easily done. If the video was helpful to you, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.